We finished the Golf, as we've said a year ago, so hi.
Howdy.
Okay. So welcome back in Rebel Classics. Adrian will run through what we're going to do today.
Yeah, so the Golf finally on the road, and we are quickly wrapping it up for its first show tomorrow. We invited Tom from TyreWall Stickers to, well, show us what he does best.
Yeah, so we got invited down to put some tyre stickers on the Golf, which is really finished off. Probably took about 2 years in the making to get to where we are now. We are now Europe's leader in tyre customization, which is pretty cool. We've done some pretty special cars, and we're just going to finish off this Golf. So we're going to show you the step-by-step process on how easy it is to install, and then yeah, we'll go from there.
Yeah, alright, so let's get the wheels off and show us what you're going to do.
Right, so what you get in the kit is you get obviously the decals, you get 8 decals. Now you might order flares or pinstripes, and obviously they'll come. You get tyre cleaner for prep. You get installation guide, so it's a pretty detailed installation guide. You've got, I mean, if you follow these steps, you'll be absolutely fine. You've also got pinstripes and guides there as well, which is pretty good. And you also get the adhesive in the kits as well. So as long as you follow the guide, you'll be fine.
Okay, so we've got the wheels out of the car, so what's going to be our first step?
Yeah, so the first step is obviously finding out where you want to put the decal. Now, obviously, you really want to be choosing an area where it's the smoothest. For example, you can clearly see that this is relatively smooth. There's not much raised edges. I mean, this is raised, but it's not the end of the world. We've got some spruces here, but we'll remove off those. So we'll bring them with decal. So we have Toyo. Now, the Toyo tyres bit is the longest text, so kind of bring them up there. So we roughly know where it's going to go. And then we'll get the Proxxes on this side. Yeah, so then we can mark on the tyre. So we'll give it a bit of allowance. We'll mark here, and mark there. Now there's 2 ways of fitting the decals. The first way would be to go over with 120 grit sandpaper and just correct key in the surface. And that key will just increase the bond strength. All the decals come with a rough backing, and that's obviously, this is how it comes. And that's just basically what we do, and that increases the bond strength as well.
So that's one way to do it, but we are called Rebel Classics and we have a show tomorrow, so we took a slightly faster approach. For a detailed guide for how to properly apply the stickers, click on the link in the top right corner of your screen or in the description down below.
was not scary at all. So,
Okay, so
once it's all sorted, I'm just going to make sure that while the stickers are drying, well, Tyre sidewall enhancements, while they're still drying, we're just going to drop the car on the bit that doesn't have them, and we should be good to go. Let it dry.
How are you feeling like first driving the Golf?
So cold.
On the way to Caffeine and Machine in the Golf. We're happy now. Yeah, we made it.
Finally happened.
We're gonna have to speak loud because the microphone's off.
To be fair, we might as well just get out now. I'm okay. I'm warming
You wanna
up.
get out? Okay.
Howdy, sir. So, as you can tell, we made it to Caffeine and Machine. The Golf is in one piece. Yeah, it's the happy time, I guess. TyreWall Sticker guys are here. Like, it's the only thing is the weather's crap. But being completely honest, the cars love cold air. So hey, more boost. Anyways, just enjoy the B-roll.
hey, very cold.
Yeah, we are getting all of the heat that weekend. That kicks in like VTEC. You're just gonna get close to it.
I want some too.
9K there.
Get some more.
It's a 9K Limmy bash ride.
Yeah.
So how are you finding today?
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely.
Even though the weather's a bit cold, but you know.
It's nice to have a drive with family.
Oh yeah, family.
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 Focus. Ooh, this is actually quite cool.
I'm saying we have a bit of what they call a situation in the Golf.
What do you mean?
Heating.
I wouldn't call that the way it's set up to go.